Soon, California voters will cast their vote on Proposition 12, which would increase space for egg-laying hens, breeding pigs, and veal calves. KSBY anchor Brooke Martell breaks down what this could mean for animals and for farmers.
Piggybacking off Proposition 2, passed in 2008, Proposition 12 would expand shelter for animals on commercial farms. Daisy Freund with the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals says the prop is aimed at ending the cruel caging of hens, pigs, and veal calves in California.
Proposition 12 builds on that by ensuring that indeed all of the hens raised for egg production in the state of California will be afforded a truly cage-free environment, and it sets much stronger living standards within that cage-free environment.
Backed by several animal welfare groups, beginning in 2020, Prop 12 would give the animals more room to move around. For a veal calf, the space couldn't be smaller than 43 square feet. For a breeding pig, it couldn't be less than 24 square feet. And egg-laying hens would need 1 square foot of space, but ultimately be cage-free by 2022. Eggs, pork, and veal that are shipped into California would also have to meet these requirements.
This actually increases the enforceability really of the current cage-free law in the state, but it's based on fines and reporting noncompliance. For the sale of products into California, it's based on affidavits.
Jeff Buckingham, owner of Cerro Alto Ranch in rural San Luis Obispo County, says it's not something everyone should be weighing in on.
It's trying to have the general public regulate a complex management practice in a business that's constantly evolving and changing. I think this Prop 12 in particular is one that just has no real place on a ballot for everybody in California to be voting on.
Reporting in San Luis Obispo, Brooke Martell, KSBY News.
Animal rights group PETA says it is against the group, citing Prop 12 would still keep egg-laying hens in cages. But as Brooke reported, egg-laying hens would be cage-free under that law by 2022.